Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video on Dogelon Mars. Let's get straight into the charts, my friends. Hit the subscribe button if you like daily in-depth technical analysis videos. Look at this. We have seen extreme bullish buying pressure. If you've been to the Patreon, you saw an alert around the 1150 levels. All right, my beautiful friends, this is what we need to look for in the coming days in order for you guys to average in at a good price. And in order for us to see strong bullish pressure, signaling that this is a normal drop, a normal fake out, a normal drop hitting the retail buyer stops, and we will continue to the upside. This is what we need to see. All right, moving straight into the charts, we have seen a doji candle. Look at this. Now, this, excuse my horrible circle, but this candle signifies that a trend reversal is apparent. It is possible. Now, what we want to see here is this red candle come down to this 50% where it has exactly touched just now and show buying pressure to the upside, all right? 50%. What we want to see is show buying pressure. This candle needs to close above this 1277 level, showing my Mac is low buying. It is low. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, let's get this video good and out for you guys. So this candle needs to close above this 1280 level. All right. After it does that, we need to see this next candle come and push higher than this 1318 level. All right. That is confirmation that we have just seen a 3-bar play. Now, we have seen multiple of these in the past, and they all signify strong moves to the upside. Our last one we saw was right here. All right. Big green candle, 50% up. And it's crazy because this 50% line is exactly on the same 50% line as that last move. That's beautiful to see. That is beautiful to see. My friends, we are following levels. News is good. Everything is looking scrumptious in the markets. This is a simple correction to scare out the weak hands before we go parabolic, my friends. If you have not started to average in, consider averaging in. Any price is fine, all right? But if you want to get technical, then I'll get technical and getting the best price you can get in these charts right now. Right now would not be a bad time to average in. However, if you want to play it safe and wait for confirmation for this green candle to close above this 1317 level, that is when you want, not even close, it just needs to pass this, all right? That is when that's a good buying opportunity right there. All right, my beautiful friends. Now, let's say this red candle comes down and breaks this 1280 levels. Then, let's go even smaller time frames to get some more price action so we can get in-depth technical analysis. We need to watch these levels, 1222s, all right, my beautiful friends? That's what we need to watch. If it breaks here, this is our next level of strong support, all right? What we want to see here is strong buying pressure exactly like this candle, preferably with volume big, at least this big or bigger than this candle. All right, that's what we want to see. But we are seeing strong buying pressure here. This is called a 3-bar play. This is exactly what it will look like moving on this candle, is what we saw here. That's exactly what we want it to look like on the 4-hourly charts. Boom, boom. Let me just go back. This here is called a 3-bar play, indicating strong buying pressure to the upside. And that is what we need to see right here in the coming hours, my beautiful friends. All right, Crypto Billionaire 69. All right, once we break out of here, our next level to the upside, our next level of resistance we need to watch is this 1430 area. Let me give you guys some levels here. Let's clear these lines out, make it super simple, super easy for you guys to see when the best buying opportunities shall arise. So this is our next level of resistance right here. We need to watch this 1380 level on the bottom and this 1450 level on the top. All right, if we break through those, then we are going to move higher and potentially hit these 1723 levels. That is extremely possible, and we are going to Mars with this coin. It's just a matter of time. And if you guys have been following this channel, you guys will be averaging in on the best points to average in on, especially if you guys are in the Patreon. You guys in the Patreon get first dibs on the best prices. I post the best times. This is what we need to look out for. We have seen strong buying pressure moving to the upside. We really want it to close above this 1360 level on the 4-hourly charts. All right, in order for it to disregard this previous resistance, we want to see that close above the 1360 level, because this is the high of this previous red body with big volume. All right, my friends, let's go. If this sounds complicated to you, the pre-sale to my course is live. It was 75% off, but now it is 50% off. I'll leave the link in the description. Go check it out if you want to learn in-depth technical analysis, so you don't have to watch these type of videos. You can look at any chart and figure out when the best times to get in and make the most money are, while mitigating your risk and maximizing your profits. My beautiful friends, I will catch you guys in the next one. Crypto Billionaire 69. Have a beautiful day. It's beautiful outside. Love your family. Christmas is coming up. Make some money in the markets to go buy them some beautiful gifts. All right. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.